Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we would like to present our presentation about production of applied technology equipment. We are from Group A, consisting of 4 members.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Adinda Zulfania masih dari absen 3.
Nama saya Afrina Aulia, absen 4.
Nama saya Jovinia Marvela Mamora, absen 16.
Nama saya Safa Hanifatun Igras, absen 33.
In here we have the essential competencies. The first one is a free-spirited and thinking creatively of human ability to make engineering products and entrepreneurs succeed is a gift from God. And the second one is being honest, confident, and independent behavior, as well as the attitude of working together, mutual cooperation, tolerance, discipline, responsibility, creative, and innovative in making engineering works for the local market to build business spirit. And the last is providing engineering entrepreneurship based on an analysis of the superintendence of existent resources in the surrounding environment. And then there's also the basic competencies. KD 3.5, analyze the market production system of applied technology equipment based on the capacity of the local area. Dan juga KD 4.5, produce the applied technology equipment based on the capacity of the local area.
And let's begin to the production of applied technology equipment. Yaitu ada market benefits atau manfaat pasar. The market is a business mechanism that sets the interests of consumers and the interests of marketers. They manage the behavior on consumers and sellers, commodities trading, the rules according to the agreement, and also the regulation. And the philosophy of business is all the activities running products from producer to consumers and attracting money from consumers to producer. So the producer must raise as much information as possible to obtain out what products consumers need and want through communication between them. And the type of market according to the material. Yang pertama itu ada abstract marketing atau transaksi langsung. Selanjutnya itu ada concrete marketing, yaitu transaksi secara online. The advantages of a product offered by producers to consumers include, the first one is the key benefits, yaitu manfaat utamanya. Terus yang kedua itu base benefits, sebagai manfaat dasar. Terus desired additional benefits, yaitu manfaat tambahan yang diinginkan. Terus keempat, expected additional benefits, yaitu manfaat tambahan yang diharapkan. Dan yang terakhir itu additional benefits that make a surprise, yaitu manfaat tambahan yang membuat kejutan. And next, the systematic production of applied technology equipment. Multifariousness applied technology product to provide solution to the community in their activities to fit their needs. The local carry capacity in rigging the applied technology engineering products that can be developed to provide added value to the potential resources, yaitu potensi sumber dayanya, human resources, sumber daya manusia, natural resources, yaitu sumber daya alam, dan cultural resources shared in the region, yaitu sumber daya budaya yang terdapat di daerah. This carrying capacity has the potential to improve the quality of knowledge of local communities.
And now we are going to talk about the applied technology equipment products. The first one itu adalah alat kompos atau composter as a tool for composting, processing organic waste at the level of household waste at restaurant. Komposter itu menjadi media terjadinya proses penguraian atau dekomposisi material organik secara cepat dan juga higienis dengan proses kontinu dan dapat ditambah setiap saat timbun sampah organik. And second one is pembangkit tenaga listrik. The potential of water in rural communities is high enough to be used as an alternative in generating electrical energy. Sebagai contohnya itu adalah pembangkit listrik tenaga mikrohidro atau PLTMH. Adalah pembangkit listrik yang menggunakan tenaga air sebagai sumber energi dalam menghasilkan energi listrik. And then third one is kendali otomatis. Auto control electronic products, almost all of which are found in household. For example, automatic lights using sensor. Cara kerja lampu sensor itu adalah yang dimana lampu itu akan bekerja atau menyala ketika sensor menangkap suatu pergerakan dalam suatu ruangan dan akan mati ketika beberapa waktu tidak ada gerakan dalam ruangan tersebut. Next slide, please. And here we have robots. The production process in industry can be assisted by robots. Robots are machines that are assembled by humans and can work tirelessly to help human work that is non-stop. And we have four characteristics, four robot characteristics. The first one is detect the surrounding atau bisa mendeteksi lingkungan kita menggunakan sensor. Second one is able to move atau bisa bergerak tentunya. The third one is artificial intelligence atau kecerdasan buatan. And last but not least adalah power supply atau catu daya. Next slide, please. In the next slide, we have the potential of applied technology equipment products in the region. The first one is to improve people's welfare by utilizing natural resources as raw materials to be processed in order to have added value. Maksudnya adalah produk peralatan teknologi terapan di daerah itu berpotensi untuk meningkatkan kesejahteraan masyarakat dengan memanfaatkan sumber daya alam sebagai bahan baku untuk diolah. And then the second one is processing of agricultural, plantation, and fishery products is highly supported if applied technology equipment products are developed. Maksudnya adalah proses pengolahan hasil pertanian, perkebunan, maupun perikanan itu sangat terdukung jika dikembangkan produk peralatan teknologi terapan. Contohnya apa aja sih? Yang pertama itu ada proses kendali dapat memantau suhu secara otomatis. Lalu yang kedua itu juga ada contohnya industri pengolahan ikan menyimpan hasil olahan, hasil budidaya jamur supaya tidak cepat rusak. And then the last one is utilization of electricity generation. For example, micro hydropower can spur the movement of micro enterprise growth and rural economy that can improve people's welfare. Maksud dari yang poin ketiga ini adalah pemanfaatan pembangkitan listrik, misalnya tenaga mikrohidro, itu dapat memacu pergerakan pertumbuhan usaha mikro dan ekonomi pedesaan dan yang dapat meningkatkan kesejahteraan masyarakat dan juga menjaga kelestarian lingkungan.
Next is applied technology equipment production process. In the production process, there are several things that must be considered, such as making design of products atau biasa disebut membuat desain produk. Yang kedua ada supporting materials atau bahan pendukung, support tools, alat pendukung, dan yang terakhir ada work safety atau keselamatan kerja. Work safety is the main thing that must be considered in order to avoid work accident. Occupational safety includes the prevention of work accident and protection of workers from the possibility of accident. Occupational health, safety, and security requirements are stipulated from the planning, manufacture, transportation, distribution, trade, installation, use, maintenance, and storage of materials, goods, technical products, and production apparatus which contain and may pose a hazard accident. Next is manufacturing technique. At the last point, namely the manufacturing technique, there are several steps. First is product manufacturing process. Second is usage or trial stage. Third is product packaging, and the last is product maintenance applied technology engineering products. Next. Nah, sekarang ada product packaging. What is the function of the product packaging? Product packaging function include maintain quality, extend shelf life, facilitate storage and marketing or transportation, and the last is add attractive to consumers. Next is benefit of product packaging. In order the benefits mentioned above to be achieved. The following point must be considered as a characteristic, contain clear and honest information, attractive design, color, shape with all of them balanced composition, the size and materials as required, and the last is the material resistant to treatment during transport. And the last is label. We also found the label in product packaging. What is the meaning of labels? Label is information made on the packaging, usually contain about actual product information, product photos or pictures, company logos, manufacturer address, and the last is product weight. Example is composter. The organic fertilizer from composting process can be used to fertilize various of plants such as traditional herb plants and fruit plants which grow in our environment. The first is design product.
Second is supporting materials. In making a composter, the materials needed are holding tank, tank cover, stand, PVC pipe, PVC elbows, T-branch, third branch connector PVC, and PVC glue. Third, support tools. Tools used to support the manufacture of composter include saw, pencil, tape measure, and electric drill. Fourth, work safety. It is a matter of preventing work accidents when producing composters and protecting workers from possible accidents. Next. Fifth, manufacturing techniques. In these steps, we have 4 parts. The first one is composting process. First step, pay attention to the rules in the workshop and work safety techniques, and get into the habit of using work safety equipment for self-protection. Second step, prepare equipment and materials. Make holes in the parallel pipe with an electric drill. Third step, connect the parallel pipe that has been perforated with an L connection. The connection is installed until it penetrates the holding tank outwards. Fourth step, install the parallel pipe with a T connection at one end of the pipe. Unite it with the L pipe connection in the holding tank. And the last one is put the lid on the composter, and the composter is ready to use. Ini ada translate Indonya, bisa dibaca nanti. Lanjut. B. Use of the composter. First step. Prepare composter and organic waste. Siapkan komposter dan sampah organik. Second step. Add organic waste and spray it with bioactivator liquid. Third step. Close the composter. After that, all the garbage that is inserted will settle and get lower. First step, watch for a week whether there is a leachate, yaitu air lindi yang dimanfaatkan menjadi pupuk cair. Fifth step, for a month, the compost is ready to become fertilizer. C. Product packaging. Composter product packaging is carried out based on the terms of the product packaging. And the last is product maintenance of applied technology engineering product. The first one is prevent the composter from getting hard impacts from other objects, clean periodically, keep out of reach of children under 5, store in a safe and protected place, and routinely check the composter to make sure that the function works.
Here we have the video references for our materials. Please enjoy.
Jadi awalnya saya melihat bahwa sebagian masyarakat sudah memilah sampah, namun operator yang mengangkut sampah itu masih suka mencampur sampahnya kembali di truknya. Meskipun ada juga yang sudah mengangkut secara terpilah, tapi lebih fokus ke yang non-organik. Sementara saat itu belum ada satupun pihak yang mengangkut secara khusus sampah organik. Dalam arti kita kalau mau menyasar masyarakat, terutama masyarakat lokal yang belum terbiasa memilah sampah, itu buat mereka ini asing. Tapi bagi masyarakat atau orang asing yang tinggal di sekitar sini, mereka langsung paham bahwa ini adalah ide yang sangat bagus. Jadi,
and paper waste here, which will be separated, and then we have more organic compost waste here that will be put into the urban organic bin. So these are our organic waste buckets. We have our staff coming in. If we've got leftovers from the cafe, it gets cleared here and put into the waste buckets. As you can see, we've got quite a few buckets here and they fill up daily, and then we have urban compost coming and collecting the buckets.
jadi sebenarnya satu hal lagi yang
Nah, setelah saya ikut dari awal, ternyata bikin kompos dari sampah makanan itu jauh lebih mudah. Dan kalau emang kita benar untuk mengaturnya, istilahnya cara kombinasinya, karbon dan nitrogennya itu sama sekali ya bisa dibilang baunya tidak begitu. Jadi proses pembusukan juga lebih cepat dan kualitas komposnya pun juga jauh lebih bagus.
And then here we have the references that we got for our materials. There are 4 of them. And thank you so much for your attention. I think that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.